Hello everyone. This is Matthew from ilovefreesoftware.com. In this video, I am going to show you how to block email tracking on Gmail using a free Chrome extension called Ugly Email. Ugly Email lets you maintain your privacy by blocking email tracking and read receipts for the emails you receive in your Gmail inbox. Moreover, it also marks the emails with tracking elements. This way, you will be aware of such emails. Let's see how you can use that. First, head to the web store and install Ugly Email. You'll also get the download link in the description below. Once installed, the Ugly Email icon will appear on Chrome toolbar. Now, it will reopen your Gmail page. Now all the emails with email tracking elements will be blocked, and an eyeball icon will appear before them. This extension blocks read receipt tracker and various other tracker elements. Now, when you open an email with tracking blocked, a small dialog appears on top of the inbox, saying tracking blocked by Ugly Email. That's it, guys. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up below. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more.